ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸೇವಾ ಯೋಜನೆದ ನಿರಿಲ್ಡ್ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕ್ಷೇಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ 5K ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಗುರುವಾರ നടത്തല്.
Both hands on your hips. Now let's rotate our lips from left. Now comes left to right, left to right, left, left to right. Okay, so stretch your hands in the front, fist it up. Okay, come, get in front and just move from right to left, right to left, right to left, and now left to right, right to left again, left to right, left to right. Okay, now stretch your right hand front. Okay, and you just have to move your left hand from front to right hand front. Move your left from front to back 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now back to front 6 times. 1, 5 and 6. Now the opposite hand. Stretch your left hand front and right hand from front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And again from back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hand touches the left foot. Let's do it 6 times alternatively. So 1, left to right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up, 6 and back 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again front 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and back 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6. Now let us have from front to back. 1, up, 3, up, 4, up and 6, up. Okay, so everybody now stretch. Now pull your right leg to the front. Pull your right leg to the front and have some exercise for our ankles. From right to left, 5 and 6. From left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 1. Okay, so now let us keep our 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's do it once more from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slow, 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 slow. Very slow, very slow. Okay, can we have a little more Josh now? Nasik ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ. So while doing this, just keep in the mind that today you're going to finish 5K no matter what, no matter if you're in the 100 or no matter if you're 900, but you are going to resolve yourself that you will finish the 5K marathon today. Is that clear to all of you? So are you ready to run the 5K marathon? Fit India, Fit Me. Step we take today. A very good morning to one and all. With immense joy and great energy, we welcome you all to the 5K marathon Fit India, Fit Me, organized by NSS unit of Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, jointly organized by the State NSS Cell, Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports. This marathon is a part of Poshan Pakhwada 2025 celebrations, a nationwide initiative celebrated by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Government Pakhwada is to promote nutrition, fitness and well-being, a contribution to that call for a healthier India. Nitte deemed to be university has over 9,000 NSS volunteers with 100 plus events being held in 3 campuses. Today, we have over 20 sister institutes of Nitte deemed to be university. We have over 1,000 participants who are going to run the 5K marathon. To begin our program officially, I now invite Professor Dr. Jaiprakash Shetty, Dean, Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, to deliver the welcome address.
Chief guest and inaugural officer of today's 5K marathon under Fit India, Fit Me movement, esteemed Mr. Mulai Mohilan, Deputy Commissioner of Mangalore and Dakshina Kannada district, our own revered Pro-Chancellor, Professor Shantaram Shetty, Pro-Chancellor Nitte University, Professor Muditaya, the Vice Chancellor Nitte deemed to be University, the NSS coordinator from Government of India, Mrs. Karthikeyan, and Dr. Pratap Lingaya from the Government of Karnataka, esteemed heads of institutions from the Constituent College of Nitte deemed to be University, the faculty members of all the institutions under Nitte deemed to be University, 1,000 students here to participate in this Fit India, Fit Me movement. The main focus of this marathon is promoting physical activity by one healthy lifestyle for all age groups. That's the main theme of this movement. The main goal is to create a healthy and active India, aligning to broader goals for Fit India and Fit Me movement. And to create this Fit movement, the Government of India has launched this program in the year 2025. To inaugurate this program, when I met our Deputy Commissioner, he was in a busy schedule on that day. When I went to his office with a roadblock in Netravati, I could not meet him in his regular office, but he was keen on attending this. Then he telephoned me back, I am in the corporation office, you come there, we can able to meet this one. So I able to catch him. Then he has readily agreed. Yesterday he was in Subramania late night, 2 a.m. he returned back to Mangalore, and early morning he attended this inaugural program. And able administrator, 2013 batch of IAS officer, his passion is during his younger days, he has realized the vital role of that of an IAS officer can play to the society. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. We have with us our Pro-Chancellor, who is the first Vice Chancellor of Nitte deemed to be University and the presiding officer of this marathon. He is a role model for all of us. I welcome you, sir. I welcome our own Vice Chancellor, Professor Muditaya. He is a great mentor for all of us in engaging in many of the activities like all you witness over here. I welcome you, sir. I welcome the main NSS mentors from the Government of India, that is Sri Karthikeyan, he is the Regional Director and Regional Director of NSS who is with us. I welcome you, sir. I welcome Dr. Pratap Lingaya, he is from the Government of Karnataka, State NSS Officer. I welcome you. I welcome all the heads of the institutions who have gathered here, senior functional directors of Nitte deemed to be University, the officials from Nitte deemed to be University, and mainly all the NSS coordinators from different university, ably led by Mr. Sashi Kumar Shetty, and all the students and the heads of the departments and faculties from Nitte Deemed University sister concerned institutions. I welcome you all once again.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮುಲ್ಲೈ ಮುಹಿಲನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ಕೊರಿಯರು. ನಮ್ಮ ದೈಹಿಕವಾದ ಸದೃಢರಾದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾದಿತ್ತಂಡ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಯುತ ಸಮಾಜನ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಲ್ಪರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಅಂಚಾದ ಏಪಲ ದೈಹಿಕ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮಲದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ರಿಯರಾದ ಕೂಡಬಂಡದ ಮುಲ್ಲೈ ಮುಹಿಲನ್ ತೆರಿಪಾಯರು.
Mr. Mullai Muhilan, Deputy Commissioner Dakshin Kannada. Sir, your vision for youth empowerment and public health is truly inspiring. We now request you to address the gathering and share your valuable insight.
Ladies on the dais and all my student friends, a very good morning to all of you. It's time to run, so let's all have happy running. Just one thing, most of you are from health sciences, and so think of a situation when somebody comes and asks for a doctor or a physiotherapist, and like he's a little unwell, so he is off today. Would not be a very good reputation to have, right? Doctor ge usharilla andre. So we are all in that field. So when you give advices, probably it comes out really well when you are there fit. So it's not a choice anymore. Being fit is not a choice anymore. It's not an option. It is essential. So happy to see a lot of you here early in the morning. Let's all have a happy run. Thank you.
ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಸಹ ಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಗುರ್ಕಾರ್ವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿದ ಮಾತಲಾಯಿತದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇಚ್ಚಿದ ಓವೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಚ್ಚಿ ಅಂಚಾದ ದೈಹಿಕ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏಪಲ ಸಕ್ರಿಯರಾದಿತ್ತೊಂದು ದುಂಬರಿಡು ಮಾಡ ತೆರಿಪಾಯರು.
Fit India, the theme which has been envisaged by our Prime Minister, has to be brought into a reality. You can have everything in life. You can have wealth, you can have education, you can have everything. But if you do not have health, you don't have anything. So the Fit India is to undertake awareness in each one of us that fitness is the theme of life. So with this, we have arranged this marathon today. Marathon is just a part of it, and to bring about awareness at how fit you will be in life. I congratulate our Allied Health Sciences Dean who has brought in this new theme to our university. And of the 9,000 students who are a part of the NSS, 1,000 are participating in this marathon today. Congratulations to each one of you. And let us march forwards with our theme that we will be fit and lead our country to great heights. Youth is our power and you are our power. Thank you very much.
ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮುಡಿತಾಯ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸೇವಾ ಯೋಜನೆ ವಲಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನಾಲಯದ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಡಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಗೇಯನ್, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಎನ್ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ, ಕುಲ ಸಚಿವರು ಹರ್ಷ ಹಾಲಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಎನ್ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಸಂಯೋಜನಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಶಶಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಎನ್ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿಮಾ ರೈ, ಅನ್ಯಾ ರೈ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವರ್ಷಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪಾಲ್ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದರು.
Good morning to you all. I also don't want to take much time. As our chief guest said, this is a time to run now, to show that you are fit and to create awareness. In fact, I am happy to be here and witness this wonderful event being organized by NITE University, because this is our Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, one of the flagship event, Fit India, and also Hoshan Bakwara. In that way, I really happy to be here, and I wish you all wonderful fitness in the coming days. And my request is, you can convey, you can create awareness, and you can encourage your friends and non-NSS students. Thank you.
ಮಾಡಲು ಬಂದಿರುವ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದಂಥ ಮುಲ್ಲೈ ಮೊಹಿಲೇನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಆದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಾದಂಥ ಮುಡಿತಾಯ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹರ್ಷ ಹಾಲಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅವರೇ, ಡಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯೋಜಕರೇ, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯುವ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು NSSನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು, ಅದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ದಿನದ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಫಿಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫಿಟ್ ಮೀ ಅದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕೋರಿಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನವೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನವೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಕು, ಜಾಗು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ತಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯೋಜಕರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I also request sir to hand over a token of appreciation to Dr. Pratap Lingaya, State NSS Officer. Hello. I request Dr. Shashikumar Shetty, NSS Coordinator, NITE DU, to hand over a token of appreciation to Dr. Karthikeyan, Regional Director, Regional Directorate of NSS. May I now request Professor Dr. M. Shantram Shetty, Pro-Chancellor, NITE Deemed University, to deliver the presidential address.
ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ಡೀನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕವಾದ ಪಾತಿರಿಯರು.